Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे पाइथन ट्रिक्स के बारे में. There are many Python tricks that is very important for your Python. This is basically a smarter way to write your Python code. और ये इंटरव्यू के लिए भी आपका बहुत हेल्प करेगा क्योंकि these are the tricky tricks that help you the interviews. आज हम फर्स्ट पार्ट पाइथन ट्रिक्स का बात करेंगे. देयर विल बी फोर ट्रिक्स वी गोना टॉक अबाउट टुडे. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो फर्स्ट ट्रिक जो है डिक्शनरी comprehensions. So most of the time we'll get a interview questions like list comprehensions, right? So the same thing in dictionary also having called dictionary comprehensions. So dictionary comprehensions are a concise way to create a dictionary, write your code from an existing dictionary or from an iterable. So it's a one-liner that can replace your for loop and make your code more efficient and readable. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो स्क्रीन में there is a dictionary we defined square numbers. So in the square numbers we have a x colon x square for x in the range form of 1 to 6. यहाँ पे we are taking x as a key and x square as a value. The numbers come from the range. So if you print these square numbers, you'll see the key as the number and the square value of as a value. So this is one of the tricky tricks that most of the interview asks in interview. So you should know this and also use this while writing your code. So next tricks is ternary operator, and this is tricks most of the developers even doesn't know while they are writing code. We write code and we use like this if else condition all this stuff, but we didn't know like this is called a ternary operator. So ternary operator is a shorthand for an if else statement. Okay, and the syntax is value if true, if condition else value is false. So it's an one liner that can replace a multi-line if else statement and make your code more concise. So ये questions बहुत आते हैं interview में and we make the mistakes. We didn't even know about like what is the ternary operator. So ternary operator is nothing but like the multi-line, nothing but one liner if else conditions that return the value. So here you see a equal to 5, b equal to 10. So max we are adding a condition a if a greater than b else b. So यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि b equal to 10, 10 is the max value. So in this condition it will return 10. So this is ternary operator tricks. The third one we'll discuss about enumerate functions. So enumerate functions is very important while writing a code. Sometimes we need to have this index of an iterable object. So enumerate functions adds a counter to the iterable and returns in the form of enumerator object. So this function is useful when you want to iterate over a list. Also keep the track of index. So most of the time like you have a big data set and you wanted to also have the index. So what you can do, you can just use this enumerate and you can write it index and these items in the enumerate methods of that iterable object, and then you can get those items as in the form of index values. So if you see here we are just using this enumerate in the fruits and printing the index and fruits. You'll see 0 is apple and 1 is banana, 2 is mango. This is very useful when writing a code. So most of the times when write interviews, you write programming in your interviews, you might have to use these enumerate functions. So the fourth one is div functions. So div function is one of the most important tricks or features you can say in Python. So it aggregates the elements from each of the iterables and returns on iterator of tuples. This function is useful when you want to iterate over two or more lists simultaneously. So if you see here, we have a list on 1, 2, 3, and list 2 ABC. So we are applying zip here. So in the for loop x comma y in zip list 1 list 2. So here we'll get iterable object in the tuple format with the combine values, aggregate values from two lists. So in the output you'll see in the list it will have a tuples a 1 comma a, then on more tuples 2 comma b and 3 comma c. So this also important important way to write your code, and this is also one tricky question for interviews. Hope you have understand the topic we discuss, and it will be very helpful for you while writing your code and attending interviews. And we'll discuss the next set of tricks from the upcoming videos. So happy learning. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you. If you find anything useful, you can follow me. And if you want any help or any questions related to your career, jobs, reference, you can always reach out to me. I have this Insta handle, Instagram, LinkedIn, and this Topnet account. You can reach out to there. Thank you. See you in the next videos.